turkey bear will be trimming till the end of the year. It's a life worth living, and our time sure is giving when biggest sauce of gold gotta start coming down when the end of summer coming around. Highway, grocery, MJ plays. Careful when you scratch that itch on your face, 'cause if a tiny bit of reason gets in your eye, you're gonna feel like you wanna fucking die. For the mold gets everywhere, and the branchy old trees start looking bare with Major League playoffs underway. Freaks are chilling in the trailer every day. Woo! Yeah. Nicknames and turkey bags, achy backs and dirty rags. Gotta pull those pots and burn the fire. Trim seasons getting down to the wire. Packed car riding to the bar. We're all far away, yeah, far away, far. Take a break for the night, head for the light. A little town, yeah, we're driving on down. North edge of a clear lake. It's a good time out and take a break. All reeking so they know just what we do. We're a noise hippie trimming crew. And it's back to the hill and high. Just big leaf and cut and hanging to dry. When the World Series is on TV, I know exactly where we're all gonna be. Yes, yeah, we're trimming for a living. From Halloween to Thanksgiving. Showing up for Christmas with a cough. Feels really good to have some time off. Then a call comes from the neighbor. More tax-free, plant-based kind of labor. But you're all trimmed out and feeling done. So pack the truck, it's time to go and have some fun. The lure of a tour. The USA, drive right through her. Stop along the way, there's a show to play. I'm a noise hippie trimmer to stay.